Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a very easy crochet heart pattern, and we're going to start by making a granny square. So I have here my acrylic yarn and my 3.5mm crochet hook. So to start off, make your magic circle and chain 3. Our chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochets. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Chain 2. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this is the last set of our 3 double crochets. Chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch on the chain 3 that we made. So we're going to close our magic circle and slip stitch on 1, 2, and 3. This is the third chain from the chain 3 that we made. So we make our first square. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochets. Chain 1. We're going to start with our corner. We're just going to repeat our first round. So a group of 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. Chain 1 in between, and you're going to repeat on all of the corners, and when you reach the last one, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and we're going to attach on the first chain 3 that we made. So for our next corner, 3 double crochets again, chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Chain 1, and again on the next corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and this is the last corner, so we're just going to make the half of the corner. Chain 2 for our corner, and so now we're going to start forming our heart. To start with our third round, on the next chain 1 space, we're going to make 12 treble crochet. So now I have made my 12 treble crochet on the chain 1 space. On the next chain 2 space, this is our corner, we're going to make 1/2 double crochet. And we're going to make single crochet on the next 3 double crochets. One single crochet on the chain 1 space, single crochet on the next 3 double crochets. On the next corner, we're going to make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. This will be the bottom of our or the point of our heart. On the next 3 chains, we're going to make 1 single crochet. On the next chain 1 space, we're going to make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets on the next 2 chains, and we're going to skip the next chain, and on our chain 1 space, we're going to start our 12 treble crochet. So you may have the need to push a little bit to squeeze in our 12 treble crochet. So far we have done 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we need 6 more. So we may have to pull a little bit and squeeze in a little bit more. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 more. 10. 11 and 12. And now we are going to slip stitch on the first chain that we made. So now we just have to, and can pull our ring some more. You can use your scrap yarn with this project. This is with a 3.5mm crochet hook, and I have here so we can just compare the size. This is with a 3.5mm crochet hook, and this one is a 4mm crochet hook. So not much difference. Maybe also it would depend on what type of crochet. If you're a tight crocheter, you can use a bigger hook. You can use any yarn of your choice as well. So we started with a granny square of 2 rounds, and we form our heart using a treble crochet and a single crochet. So that's it for today. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.